Divide 118 by 2. So here we divide 118 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the beside number 8. So now it became 18. So 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 118 divided by 2 we got 59. So this much for today and thanks for watching.